Imagine a world where things float, move, and stick together as if by magic. Welcome to the astonishing universe of magnetism, an invisible force that shapes our everyday life and the entire planet. Our adventure begins with a question: what makes magnetism tick? It's all about electrons, tiny particles that whirl around atom nuclei, creating magnetic fields. But not all superheroes wear capes, some just have the right spin. Travel back in time to the Magnetic Hall of Fame, where ancient civilizations first stumbled upon magical stones, and geniuses like Faraday unlocked the secrets of electromagnetic fields. These pioneers set the stage for the magnetic wonders we know today. Behold the magnetic forces at play: levitation that defies gravity, induction that powers our gadgets, and a compass needle that whispers the Earth's secrets. Each one a testament to magnetism's invisible might. But the magic of magnetism isn't just for spectacle. It secures our homes, powers our appliances, and even peers into the human body with MRI technology. Magnetism, the silent guardian of our daily lives. Our planet, a colossal magnet with a heart of molten iron, shields us from cosmic dangers and guides countless creatures across vast migrations. The Earth's magnetic field, a testament to nature's grand design. Ready for some magnetic magic of your own? Let's dive into experiments that unveil the invisible dance of magnetism. From crafting electromagnets to painting with magnetic fluids, the wonders of magnetism await your touch. As we've seen, magnetism is a fascinating force, weaving together the tapestry of our universe. What magnetic discoveries will you make? The journey is just beginning. Dive deeper into the mysteries of magnetism and join us for more scientific adventures. Like, share, and subscribe for a voyage through the wonders of science. Until next time, keep exploring, and may the force of magnetism always be with you.